Bum bum bum. Welcome back into another video. Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys enjoyed your weekend. This is my first time looking at the charts. I did my setup real quick before I started recording, just to mark up a few things that I find necessary. Um, but yeah, let's just hop on right back into it. Let's see what the market has for us today. We have this nice little low right here. I'm gonna call this the primary for now. With this, honestly, it's probably gonna want to take that out because already dropping, literally already dropping. I think, yeah, the news today. You have 10 a.m. news, and luckily we don't trade on Mondays, so we're just gonna see what that news is gonna do. We have London. Yeah, I'm just gonna say primary sell side. It's our primary sell side. And then we have these nice relative equal lows right there. There's gonna be sell side liquidity. Hold on. Dun, 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 dun. This is our sell side liquidity. Okay. What else we got? Um, so cool. Let me see. Oh, the London has all the way up here. So London high. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. Okay. And we have these nice relative equal highs. These nice. This is buy side liquidity. Probably looks nice on the low top then. Buy side. Okay. For value gaps that I noticed that's catching my attention is we have this for value gap right here, the one that broke the had a break of structure. We have this nice big fair value gap. I got my eyes set on that one. And we have this fair value gap. So I want to see how price is gonna treat this fair value gap. That'll tell me everything I need to know on in terms of like direction and how price wants to move at market open. We have market open right now. Let me look at that daily real quick. And also we could drop. I won't be surprised if we drop today. Not gonna lie. We won't like a nice sell off today. But there's a lot of liquidity on the downside. But yeah, let's just wait for market open. Let me see what price wants to do. We're respecting that new week opening gap midpoint. You see that? Dude, like literally. Okay, here's our opening range gap midpoint. Come on. Okay, we're definitely closing the gap. This is our opening range gap. Where you took out the midpoint. Okay, what did I say? We have this liquidity on the downside. There's needs for value gaps are like okay, there's this small one that really catching me off. Yeah, but you guys know we don't trade Mondays. I don't really trade Mondays. So we're gonna sit this one out, watch and see what price wants to do. We have news at 10 o'clock. So we're just observing today. We're just observing. We have this um just make it super light. We have this 15. What is 50? Come on. We have this 15-minute fairly gap to the right. So yeah. You want to see how price is going to react to this. Is it going to respect this midpoint? If it does come, respect this midpoint. we want to see lower prices. If it goes above and break this, we want to see higher prices. Basically, break, come back, retest higher prices. Probably use this. See this first fair value gap that we got over there. And then if it comes and respects this midpoint, we're going to see lower prices on price. So yeah, let's just wait and see what price wants to do. And together came back to that volume imbalance right over there. But let's just wait and see what price wants to do. And I'm back to touch that, the midpoint of that. Come on. So this big displacement for value. Let's just let it cook. And then we'll see from there. We at the midpoint. See that? There we go. So now we just wait and see what Presidents to do. If it's gonna use this as an inverse or it's gonna respect the midpoint. Let's just wait and see. As you guys can see also here, like respecting that end dog right over there. Perfectly at that. And also for the day we've been on the not for the day, but since Thursday we've been like on a mini like uptrend, basically. But yeah, let's just wait for this candlestick to close. I want to see how it's gonna react. Obviously, we have to wait for the candlestick to close. That will tell us everything that we need to know. But yeah, it's almost touched the first value gap. We still haven't gotten the first value gap of the day. Yeah, we haven't gotten that yet. I just wait and see what happens. Mm, 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 mm. Can't use Pinterest. I think that midpoint over there. Sorry for the noise in the background. Sadly can't control that. Uh, yeah. You guys see we touched the midpoint right over there. Having a nice reverse. Let's see how it's gonna react to this. Mm, mm. We have this minor sell side. Also the London low right over here. I would mark it, but just gonna like yeah, I'm not gonna mark that right now. But you see it's reacting off that new opening range gap high. By the way, we still have a lot of time left for this 15-minute candle. As I'm saying, we have 9 minutes. It's a long time. Just gotta let it cook, let it do the damage with the wick. If it wants to go above, let it go above. If it wants to stay below, let it stay below. That's how we're gonna get our bias. But we've been on a downtrend though, but that's how we're gonna get our bias. This could be like the Judah swing. Come on. Come come to Papa. Come to Papa. That's what I'm looking at. Nice push. we at this smaller fair value gap and we at this first fair value gap. Let's see how the 1 point there. But yeah, but let's just wait and see. We still have time on that 50-minute candle. There isn't any clear nice fair value gaps. We'll probably only get like a nice fair value gap once we break like a high or like a low. And that could be our first fair value gap. So yeah. Okay, let's just watch the 1 minute. Okay, let's see the 5 minute, what's going on there. Okay. Mm, okay. 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 Oh, so tired, bro. I actually missed looking at the charts. Although this entire weekend I was actually on the charts, I'm not gonna lie. I was on the charts Saturday and Sunday because Sunday I had to do the review. Saturday I had to study my losses of the previous month. You know, to see the silly mistakes I've been doing. I know when to stay away. I look you wanna implement the rule of like if I at least get like 3 wins in a row, I stop like for the week. So let's just say if I say I win, I don't trade Mondays really. If I win Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I stop. Yeah, that looks that's calm. I don't know. I'll take what the market gives me. That's just a thought, just a thought, just a thought, just a thought, just a thought. It's been a minute since I got like 3 wins in a row, to be honest. Mm, 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 mm. Now it's going above. So if and when statements, very important. If we close above this, like the candlestick is above this 50-minute candle, we want to see price come back and retrace back into this and respect the lower half to go for buys. Like I said, if it does close below above this, I'm looking at maybe price using this first for value gap for higher to use it probably. But we have to also wait for the first for value gap of the day. We have news at 10 o'clock, blah, all those nice things. Um, uh, oh, I'm just showing you guys this is market, this is live. You set this high right there, this minor. We have this nice by equal highs over there. It's so nice and smooth, bro. I don't see why everyone want to take those out. So beautiful. So beautiful. We don't have a first value gap yet. We just have to wait and be patient. Patience, patience, patience. I mean, look at these relative equal lows we created. Like, we only took out this one. This is still intact. This is still intact. Everybody's still intact. Look at that 15-minute. I haven't checked ES. Sorry. My fault. My fault. My fault. My fault. My fault. My fault. SMT divergence. Is that you? Wait. Nah. Not really. Like, it didn't take it out. Like, I didn't take it out. It 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 took out this one, yeah, but it didn't take it out. I still have 3 minutes of the casting. I didn't take it out. Yeah, this it took it out, but that one, no. And it didn't even come in full this for value gap. The same one. The same one. Look at that. ES is still This is an SMT level. You see this high and this, that's an SMT. Look at that. And one, two, one, two. I mean, one, two. It's probably looking to sell. Not gonna lie. Probably looking to sell. Especially if we close below this. We close below this 15 minute. Ugh. We left and we came back, touched, respecting that upper half. So we get lower prices. Low, 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 low. I'm gonna see how this candlestick closes, bro. But I'm not bugging, right? So this is 20 average. Look at it. Look at that. Look at that. Bro, even with these, these, these. But remember, an SMT divergence doesn't mean what's the word I'm trying to say? It doesn't give you premise for entering. You could still get an SMT divergence. I mean, you guys have sold with me, and you could still take a loss. It helps you like if it aligns with your things, you know. It helps. It's the macro times marked up for you guys. We have news at this. I'll make it red for you guys so you guys can know it's news. We have a news. So it's red news. Like we need to see it. There's news at that time. There's news here. We're respecting the midpoint of this 15 minute. You guys see that? You guys see that? So let's just see if price wants to close above. We have a minute left. Let's see what it wants to do. Come on, come on, come on, big bro. Come on, big bro. Hmm. She wanna go next. She wanna. Come on. The 45 seconds. Show me what you want to do. I'm not gonna lie. I would be, in all honesty, I would look you be like, I won't say confused, but I don't get any of the two. Yeah. Because if it stops, yeah, it could still continue going high, if not lower. Like, it's just, let's just wait. Stop yapping. Let's go. Show me. We definitely selling, chat. And we selling. I know that was so cocky. But we respected the lower half coming back to retest this. Let's see what we get lower prices. Um, but yeah, that just gives me. Oh no, no, never mind. We at the midpoint. I thought we were like below it. Hold on, so I'm gonna stick to that though. Stick to the model. I'm gonna stick to the model. If I'm wrong, shoot me. Um, we have still on yes, we have this the fair value gap. It's still intact on the 15 minute. Like we didn't even go to the halfway or anything. So we might just go higher on ES a little bit, you know, just tap into it a little bit there. But yeah, we'll just see how it behaves. Nasdaq on the other hand, we at the first fair value gap. We at the first fair value gap. We just gotta let it do its thing. Excuse me, we just gotta let it do its thing. This could be just be doing the damage. Um, 4 minutes until the macro. So let's see. If this kind of stick closes above, but we're not waiting 15 minutes. I mean, we just have to see what the macro has to give at the time as well. There's the 5 minute. We don't even have, wait, do we have a first for value gap? We don't even have a clean first for value gap. So if price, literally, if it's gonna break out these highs, we'll probably get our first for value gap over once it accelerates to come and want to take out these highs. If it does, if it does, if it does, if it does. Okay, emphasis, emphasis, emphasis. So yeah, let's just wait and see what happens. Let it cook. We almost at the macro times. Just gotta be patient, bro. Be patient. Mm, 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 mm. Look at this cute little value gap. You see that it came on the five and came to this. Came to a small for value gap, but oh, but it's just like going back and forth right now, like in this area. Oh, 1 minute until the micro. Just patiently waiting for Nasdaq to sell. Just waiting. Wait, what is this Brad doing? See this midpoint? And yes. Let's see. Him on the other hand, there's 9 minutes. Just to wait longer. Ah, patience, 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 patience. I'm honestly behaving like I'm trading. I'm not gonna put in a trade. I'm just submitting to time and sharpening my skills, I guess. Cyprus. What? What is happening? Yeah. I just want to see how this kind of season close. Hey man, I'm still low-key locked in on shorts, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm so locked in on shorts because of the price respecting this midpoint. I can't stop thinking about shorts, bro. It just makes sense, you know. And I'm practicing to stick to that bias. I'm sticking to that bias. Because I would usually have like like I would think that, oh no, like I got what I want in the sense of like respecting the midpoint, so I know that okay, I want to see lower prices, and let's see, it's probably gonna bless me with lower prices. That five, this kind of stick still have it has a lot of time, still has a lot of time on it. It still has 7 minutes, so we just have to wait for the 7 minutes. And either way, we have news soon, so the news, it's a red folder, could do whatever it wants. Honestly, in all honesty, let's see what we get a first value gap off this candlestick because it's taking out these lows right over here. Let's see what this become. Maybe our first fair value gap of the day, and yeah, yeah, pretty much it. Also in that 5 minute, remember this small fair value gap. See how it's respecting that. Let me show you guys. Touch the midpoint to the tick. Oh, never mind. I'm lying. I'm lying. Had to add the volume imbalance right over there. Yeah, this is it. Respecting the lower half of it. So yeah, very beautiful, if you ask me. Okay, that's not our first favorite gap. I mean, we have this small one, but it's too small. Way too small. Too small. Too small. Mm. Mm. It, so let's keep that 1 point. I want to just adjust to this color. Please let me adjust. Oh, there we go. Oh, let's go. You was right, I was wrong. This gotta be patient. Wouldn't be surprised, like, if the news comes and drops, right? We price shoots up into this and then drops. Be surprised. Just saying. Just saying. Oh look, it closed below. Look, it closed below. Oh, there's still 4 minutes up. Sorry. But look at that, bro. Look at that, bro. Hey man, I've been in the gym. Ugh, excuse me. Oh, let's go. We're in the macro right now. Let's see. Are we maybe gonna retrace back into this? Let's see. But we don't have, I don't know. This is it's too small, man. It's way too small. I'm gonna leave it there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave this as our first favorite gap, boys and girls. I'm just gonna change the color though. I don't like it. I'll make it maybe blue. And then yeah, we're gonna be using this body. Price comes back into this. Let's see. Would be a nice sell opportunity to use this to sell. That's just me though. So basically this is the trade idea. This would be the ideal trade idea. This and then this low over there, the beautiful low over there, and this south side, these nice relative equal like this, like these ones. That would be my trade idea. I would not hold it for any. Yeah, this would be my trade idea. And then we touch that. Um, what did I say, bro? You guys better be listening. You guys better listen to me, bro. This month we killing these charts, bro. I promise you. Promise you. You heard it here first. Um, come on. Honestly, oh yeah, just to clarify, I'm not sure. I'm not. This is too small, man. It's too small to consider as the first for value gap. It's too small for my liking. It's probably once you break this low, like once it goes with speed, you might just get that first for value gap. But for now, I think it's more. But it depends. Maybe if we get when we get not maybe when we get the news, I want to see that maybe all the news just maybe spike a little bit up to come back into this. Just want to see. Um, and then if it respects this, then probably use it. Probably honestly use it. But for now, I'm not considering it as the first value gap. It's too small. It's like 8 pips, bro. It has to be like at least 20 or like 15 up. They're just B. Um, but yeah, it's like 10. It's like 11 pips. It's not bad. It's not bad. But it's just let me see how far you from here. This is small for value gap, but yeah. There's this one. And plus there's this price opening range gap below, which is the opening price. I'm gonna see if price gonna go lower. 9 pips. Yeah. This. Bam 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 bam. 10 o'clock, bro. 10 o'clock. Ooh. Ooh. Wait. We left. Um, Price did what? We respected the midpoint. Like I said, perfectly. It means we're looking for sales. And then we left the fair value gap, right? We left it. Now I want to see maybe we can't retrace back into it. Retrace back into it. Let the wicks do the damage. Retrace back into it. Maybe into this. Let me show you guys. Into this baby right here. That would be ideal. Excuse me. But for now, I was respecting the small one. The small fair value gap could be a trap. But yeah, I'm low key happy that like I was so confident about the selling. The price respecting, if it respects the midpoint, then this. If not, then that. If if and when statements. Mm. I'm happy about that. So now we just have to let's just let price play out during the macro. We just get lower prices. Like I said, this will be my TP. Bam, bam, bam. You see, it's respecting this one. I won't be as like if my short was using this fair value gap because this is far. And if you were to use this, then only I would say this is gonna be probably my TP1. In all honesty, a coming for this, if not this one, to not be greedy. This one. Um, so yeah. But it would have been nice to see it come here, come back up here. Would be nice. I also remember like we left this the opening range gap low, and usually when I see price leave the opening range gap, it doesn't really go back into that much unless like the wick does the damage. Unless the wick does the damage, but ideally, I want to see it come back up here. That's just me though. Center shorts. Excuse me. 4 minutes until the mic goes over. I is respecting this. Shoot. She's a small fair value gap. Let's see what's in the price higher. Uh, uh. I want to see how much time is left on this candlestick. Okay, we have 7 minutes, bro. That's enough time. I want to see it come back and retest, bro. That's genuinely enough time. Let's see will it come back and retest this fair value gap that I have over here. The first fair value gap, first fair value gap of June, the first fair value gap of June. See if I'm valid or not. Create a nice height of equal lows right over there. You see, it's back to that high. The wicks did the damage. Look at the bodies. So because you see, we left this candlestick left. I want to see come back and retest this and come back down. Bam, 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 bam. At the last minute of the macro, come on. Last 2 minutes. Come on, tap in last minute. Let's see what this last minute macro come back into this fair value gap and respect the lower half. The wicks can do the damage. Lower half of this. The wicks can do the damage. Let me see some. This indicator I should. Oh damn. It's right there. Please guys, I don't really use the indicator. I'm just a friend of mine asked me to check. I think he was on one of the videos. He just wanted me to check if it works or stuff like that. I mean that's clean though. But hey, we want this. Oh no, the micro's over. Let's just stay for a couple of more minutes and then I'm gonna hop off. I wanna see if you're gonna come back and tap into this because right now we respecting the opening range. You see that the high and we just fell short coming to the fair value gap. Let me look at my broker. Probably did. Okay, okay, on my broker. Okay, it's basically nah, it's basically the same. It's the same. There's a gap here though. There's a gap here though. Come on. It's coming back into this first, this not oh sorry, I said it's first. The small fair value gap over there. You see that and then touched. But ideally, it's not a clean. If you did it manually, it would have been cleaner. But Yeah, we just fell short, bro. We just fell short. On the broker is closer though. Like on the broker, like um the value gap is a little bit closer. Yeah, but just give it a chance to honestly how it's gonna react to this properly. That's what I want to see. Just gotta give me a chance. Oh my days. Oh, and we just fell short touching that the 15-minute come back to retest it. We just fell short. Let me look at it. Never know. Need to see. This candlestick betrayed me, bruh. Oh, let me fix that. This candlestick betrayed me, bruh. But yeah, we got that retest. But I wanted to generally see it tap into this first value gap first. That would be very nice of Nasdaq to do. I respect the upper half. Oops, looks like we might. Oh, and I'm still like Jordan on $18 on the account. Jordan negative $18. I do plan on depositing my own funds as well, like on a separate account to trade that as well. Mm, yeah, I'm still thinking about that. Still thinking about that. Come on, Nasdaq. It's like it's not going there. Just patience, bro. I think the candlestick is done. Let me check. Oh, it's a new one. It's a new one. I don't think it would have fooled us, boys. There we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's a crazy candlestick. That's a crazy ass candlestick. Remember when I spoke about this, and that? It would have fooled us in here. If we were to be trading today, it would have been filled in. But that's not a good candlestick though. We would have been filled in, so we would this would be it. Stop loss above that and TP1. These are top equal lows, and then TP2 would be this. I'm not in a trade. I didn't enter the trade. I'm just doing like a mock trade with you guys, like the things that what I would have done today if it is that I would have been traded, if I would have traded or entered a trade. So this would be the idea that I have in mind. So yeah, that would be my trade idea using that first fair value gap. Um, you guys will tell me if it hits or not. Or we'll see tomorrow. We'll see tomorrow if it will hit or not, or it got stopped out or not. But no, I'm not in this trade. I don't really trade Mondays. It's just to show you guys what I would have done if I were to trade today. You see, and we waited 15 minutes before trading. Because usually after like some news, you have to wait like some time. Um, but yeah, that's it for me today, boys. I'm gonna check you guys. Um, Look at that drop. I'm gonna check you guys. And Mondays that are permissible for trading are non-farm payroll Mondays, where like in the week, which is the first week of the month. Let's just put it like that. The first week of the month, you can trade the Monday, right? Because it's a non-farm payroll Monday. You can trade it if you wish to. But yeah, just bro, this thing in my eye. There's something to put out there. But yeah, that's it from me. I'm gonna see you guys next week. I'm joking. Tomorrow. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoy. Bro, it's dropping, bro. It's actually dropping. Shocker. Yeah. Um, I'm gonna see you guys next week. Why do I keep saying next week? I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Oh, one thing I would say, probably next month, I will start trading the first week, the first Monday of the month. I'll probably start doing that in all honesty. Um, yeah. If I'm ready for that. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if I'm ready for that or not. Mentally, if I'm in the right place to do that. But for now, I really just watch Mondays. But yeah, this is it. Let's see. It's retesting. It's retesting back. See that? It's retesting. See it go lower. Let me delete this for the thumbnail and this because I didn't take any trades. I don't wanna sell you guys dreams that oh I entered the trade when I didn't. Let me remove the lines as well. Oh, wow. Just to make it a little bit clear. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, and it aligns so nicely with this. See the new week opening gap midpoint there? So nicely. I really want to continue watch like the video so that we can see what price ends up doing. But it's fine. I'm gonna have to get going. I don't want the video to be too long. It's about to approach an hour. It was lovely being with you guys today. Hopefully this plays out. Obviously, I'm not in this trade. It's just like a mock trade. Um, what was that? It's just a mock trade. I'm not in this trade. Yeah. Hopefully tomorrow we can get a setup. Let's check the news real quick. What's going on tomorrow? Oh, there's 10 a.m. news. Probably let's see if we get a trade before that. But yeah, that's basically it from me. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Oh, if another thing, if this does end up failing, we could use it as an inverse fair value gap. Just giving you a heads up. Literally, when you just see price just drop a bit, buys. could use this as, if this ends up to fail, you could use this as an inverse fair value gap. That's all I'm saying. If it does fail, I mean, we would have been stopped out. Literally would have been stopped out. There you go. I would have lost today. Would have, could have, should have. Yeah. Remember this when I told you about this and this? Remember that. Remember that. Very important. But yeah, let me leave you guys, bro. So addictive. It's so addictive. But yeah, remember this. Remember this area, this. Remember that. Can't stop looking at it. Can't stop. Can't stop. Oh yeah, we wanna see before I leave as well. We wanna see it respect this midpoint. See how it's coming back. We wanna see it respect this midpoint. This kind of stick when it closes. But yeah, I'm done. I'm done. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna leave now. It was lovely being with you guys and being on the charts. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, of course. Yeah. We wish you all nothing but the best and hopefully you didn't hurt yourself today. Cheers.